Kapag naghihintay ka, huwag kang mawalan ng pananampalataya sa Panginoon. Pray not just to ask, pray to trust, pray to believe, dahil hindi ka nakakalimutan ng Diyos. Kaya mga kapatid, mga kaibigan, when you pray, stop begging for what God already promised. Start believing that He remembers, He listens, and He loves. Naalala ho natin yung nasa Mark chapter 11 sa verse 24. Ano sabi ni Jesus? Whatever you ask for in prayer, believe that you have received it and it will be yours. Amen. So don't pray with fear. Pray with faith. Don't pray in panic. Pray in peace. Kasi ang Diyos na pinananalanginan natin ay hindi nakakalimot. And maybe this moment, this message is His way of saying, anak, hindi kita kinalimutan, ngayon pa lang, sinasagot ko na ang mga panalangin mo. To God be the glory.